Hello. As you may or may not know, not all rackless systems are made equally. My name is Mignus. I am the dictator of soft luggage shenanigans and the keeper of the 10mm socket at Turkana Gear. Most rackless systems are a one-size-fits-all piece. So you put it on, it's got the same width over the seat, and that's where you have to fit them. Meaning that the majority of them cannot be used from a narrow seat enduro motorcycle all the way up to a big ass fat adventure motorcycle. And rackless means you're running light, tight. It's enduro type of stuff or adventure enduro type of stuff where you go through narrow trails and those kind of things. So you need to have the rackless sit very close to the bike, and it must be angled to suit your riding style and your motorcycle. So a one-size-fits-all is not a good fit for a rackless system. The rackless systems that we built is built differently. We make them to last a lifetime, not just a few rides. Because rackless also means that people take them on adventures that's normally much more rigorous and taxing on luggage than what they are on other kinds of soft luggage that you get. That is why our rackless system is made in 3 parts. For a start, that you can repair them, you can adjust them properly, and you can fit a variety of motor luggage or our track bag range onto them to configure them in the way that you travel. And for every type of travel, so you don't need to go buy a 20-liter set if you want to only use that, or a 30-liter or a 50-liter. With us, you can. It's modular, it's configurable, so you can fit any size and configure it to whatever trip you're doing, which in the long run is less costly than to buy a set or a type for specific. If you want to do enduro for the weekend, you only need a 5-liter or a 3-liter each side, versus you're going on a tour where you need 20-liter a side. I'm going to show you quickly how to adjust our rackless system on the motorcycle. Most rackless systems are made for single-use travel. So it's not really good to have a pillion on it. Although with our system you can use a pillion. It's not the most comfortable, but you can use a pillion. But we see a lot of people use their rackless systems right in the back of their carrier rack, which is not really a good position to place rackless systems because it's all the way in the back. All your weight is right at the back of your motorcycle. You ideally want the rackless system to be on your rear seat, where it's closer to your bike, the center of the mass is closer to the bike, and it's more compressible. Place your sandwich on the seat, open it up, and then take one of the legs and decide where it must go on the motorcycle. Now, the idea is that on an enduro bike, you get them nicely tight and even overlap them so that they can sit closer to each other. So the legs are compressed against the bike. They don't hang low down on the motorcycle. They sit a little bit more up, higher up, but they get the mass closer to the bike and nice and tight. On a more adventure bike like the CF Moto, where you have the handlebar or the grab handles and the seat is wider, position them a little bit wider over the seat. But then what you also need to do is adjust the angle of them. That if the foot pegs are a little bit higher up or your tie down point a little bit higher up, you can adjust them a little bit more upwards at the bottom, or you can adjust them a little bit lower down. When you tie down the legs, look for a spot where there's not too many angles or sharp corners, otherwise you'll have to use something to protect the webbing. If it's nice and tight, it's not a problem. Thread it through your anchor points and strap it down. On our previous version, tie-down strap and the cam buckle was on the same space. We've now moved them apart and we've made them in such a way that this entire system can be replaced if something happens. But we've made it also into a V-shaped configuration so that it pulls tighter on the motorcycle. You can pillion somebody on top of this. It's not something you can do for a long time, and I don't think they want to, but it is possible. But the idea of rackless systems is more for solo type of trips. With the rackless, there's 2 1-meter compression straps, and you use them to tie it over the seat to additionally pull the rackless system closer to the bike and have it sit nicer on the subframe of the motorcycle. It is also those 2 straps that you use securing the sandwich on the motorcycle if you don't use the side legs, maybe for a short trip or anything like that. And then obviously there's also the cleats that we include in the kit that you can use in the back or the front or on the rear of a motorcycle if you don't have foot pegs that you can tie it down to. And there's additional 2 short clips, pins that we give if for some reason you break one of the D-rings or the tri-glides, you can use them as a replacement part. Protective film in the kit that you can use on grab handles or on panels if you feel that you might get scratches, which normally if the saddlebags are, the rackless is properly tied down, it will have no problem, but we give that in any case to protect your bike. In addition, if you choose to use your rackless but you want to go on a weekend ride, you don't need to have the entire rackless system with you. All you need to do is take it apart, leave the legs at home, and then you use the sandwich and a 3-liter Bush Baby or a 5-liter or a 10-liter, and you use that as a tail pack tying to the rear of the bike or your rear rack. But then you've got a base to strap anything else. You can strap any soft luggage basically to this with a set of rock straps or our own tie down strap. But then you also get this as part of the whole system, which makes them so usable and user friendly on different kind of bikes and different kind of trips. But the bottom line is we make this stuff to last a lifetime as long as it can, so that you don't have to go and buy different kind of systems all the time, different kind of bags, and that they last through whatever you put them through. Well, that is the Mad Mule rackless system. We get incredibly good feedback from people around the world. I actually forgot to say that you can use the system as a fly to ride. If you want to get on a plane, go rent a bike somewhere in the world, you can take the whole system apart, pack it flat, book it in, even as a carry-on. Day trips, people leave it on their bikes basically permanently. But this is just a short rundown on the Mad Mule rackless.